Signeasy enables you to track your document's progress and conveniently follow up with your signers. Documents pending your signature can be found in the Needs Your Action section. Clicking on their status reveals who has completed signing and who hasn't yet. You can sign the document directly from here. The Waiting for Others section displays documents that are awaiting signatures from other signers. You can view specifics here to determine which signers have not yet signed. Your document signers receive 2 email reminders to complete their pending signature requests on the 1st and 7th day post-initiation. In case the signers haven't signed despite the reminders, you can use the Send Reminder button for an extra nudge. This option can be used 24 hours after the document's first request for signatures. The Completed Documents section displays a list of all documents that have been fully signed. In the All Documents area, you'll find a complete overview of all documents, including statuses like Needs Your Action, Waiting on Others, Completed, and Lapsed.